this is Falguni Zaveri from Karma Healing. Today I am here to do the reading for the week of 31st May till the 6th of June. So the new month is going to start now. There are a lot of new things happening. Planets going retrograde, like Mercury is going retrograde. So there will be a little bit of shift, here and there, in people's life. Somewhere positive, somewhere negative. But we will go ahead and see the card reading for this week, and we will start with the sign Aries, like always we do. And also please do like my page on Facebook and Instagram, and please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for further guidance and reading that I'll be posting the videos on. So let's go ahead and start with the sign Aries. I hope all of you are doing well, keeping yourself safe and healthy. So let's go ahead and start by removing 3 cards for Aries. For the week of 31st May till the 6th, for the people born under the sign of Aries, I do see a little bit of I do see opportunities coming. There is no doubt about it that you will be having opportunities coming, but it is also telling me that you have to be very, very careful from the people whom you are surrounded with, who doesn't wish good for you, because there is also, I can see from the card thing, whatever you are going to accomplish in the week, there are people around you who wouldn't like it, who wouldn't like your progress somewhere. So you have to be very, very careful about the negativity surrounding you, about the people who are not your well-wishers. So yes, the opportunities are coming your way. The week is going to be good, but you have to be very careful from the people who are not your well-wishers, as well as you will be very much prone to negativity. So success is there, but if you try to be away from negativity, or try to stay away from the people who are not your well-wisher, you should be fine. I do see opportunities coming, so it's not a bad week for you guys. Okay, quickly, 3 cards for Taurus. Let's remove 3 cards for Taurus. Okay, for the people born under the sign Taurus, the cards are good for the week, and I do see a new relationship coming your way this week. I do see a growth that you're waiting for coming this week. It's going to be a slow growth, but yes, you will definitely see some kind of growth coming in the career, as well as your relationship. I'm very sure, because I have got a card where it's saying maybe if you are trying to go into a relationship or build a new relationship, this week is going to be wonderful for you. Yes, you just have to be a little bit careful about your thoughts, about what you are thinking, because whatever you will be thinking, you will be manifesting it. So just be, whatever you are thinking, just think positive, so that your mind will be positive, and whatever you attract will be positive. The growth career wise also is coming your way this week. I see new relationship coming your way. You will build new relationship, but just be careful from negative thoughts. Now we'll go ahead and do Gemini. For the Gemini people, I am seeing a lot of emotional cards. So this week is mainly will be towards your emotions, to balance your emotions, to maybe kind of build new relationship. How you going to feel from people surrounding you. Maybe you might meet new people, new family members. You might you can say enjoy, or some kind of celebration that will come where everyone is going to get together, maybe family members, of course not too many people, that is not allowed, but then there is family going to come together. You will meet new people, so somewhere the emotions are going to come, and there are a lot of things, where emotion is concerned, is going to come this week also. The cards are guiding me for the people under the sign Gemini is you are a person who doesn't go out and try to make new friends or new relationship, or you don't like to go and socialize. So somewhere you are happy with whatever uh, friends you have, whatever you are not into the person who will go out and build new relationship. So somewhere the card is guiding me that you need to go out this week and see and meet people that will make you feel much more better. I do see a short travel coming your way too, something related to again a relationship. So maybe meeting your family members or meeting your loved ones is seen in this week. So we'll go ahead and do Cancer. Cancer people. For the Cancer people, the cards are okay. They are saying that there is a moment coming your way somewhere. It is a moment and it is going to be seen this week. There is a kind of, you can see a victory. You can see something that you have uh, tried to do the last week, that the result has not come up yet. This week is going to be something where you will see a result, the victory kind of a thing. Also, you have to be careful that whatever you are seeing right now is not an illusion. Sometimes, a big package is shown to you, and sometimes, it turns out it's not the right thing for you, or maybe it is not what it is shown to you. So this week there is something like, whatever you see is not whatever you get kind of a week. So just be very careful, just be practical, and just don't get carried away with it. But yes, your progress is coming your way. You have to be little careful where your breathing is concerned, health related, like you can say maybe sinus or something related to breathing, so maybe cold, cough, something that you have to be little careful this week. Now we'll go ahead and do Leo. 3 cards for Leo. I do see a great progress coming your week, Leo people. You are going to be too enthusiastic and you're going to be too confident, and confidently you're going to move ahead. I do see a very elderly person, kind of a person who is going to be a very help to you. Somewhere coming this week, you will meet that person if you don't have that person in your life, or someone like uncle, grandfather, maybe father. They are going to come and help you in whatever problems you are having, or they are going to be a very good support for you this week. There is also some kind of weight that you were waiting last week. I do see that kind of weight this week also. Somewhere you are looking for something and you want that, and you have been waiting, Leo people. So I do see that weight also this week. It is not like you're going to accomplish what you were waiting for, but definitely yes, you are progressing very, very strongly ahead and trying your best to get it. But yes, whatever you are waiting for needs still a wait, and that is why it can cause you a little bit of emotions, a little bit of sadness, a little bit of setback. But you don't have to worry about it. You have a good support from your elders, and you are moving in the right direction. Now we'll go ahead and do Virgo. Week for Virgo. Let's see what does the week for Virgo tell us. Week for the Virgo, again, you have to be, Virgo people, you have to be little careful where your health is concerned, something related to your legs basically. Just be careful. You might just hurt yourself like walking, or maybe you might have a fracture, or maybe you might basically hurt your knee. So just be very careful, something related to your legs. Yes, I do see a progress coming your way, and you are progressing and you are moving ahead where your finance is concerned or where your career is concerned. I see a moment coming this week for you. But whatever the picture is shown to you where your career is concerned or love life is concerned, don't get carried away with it, because whatever is shown to you is not whatever you're going to get. So it's kind of an illusion, like you are expecting a big thing, and then suddenly you come to know, okay, you are not getting that. So it's going to be a little setback for you. So just don't be practical and don't expect a lot this week happening. But yes, there is a little progress that is coming, but I would suggest you better be careful with your health where your legs are concerned. Now I'm going to go ahead and do Libra. For the people under the sign Libra, I do see a progress. I do see something that you have wanting to do in the last week and that has not happened you will receive a success this week. A good success is seen in the card, but again, I am seeing even in Librans that there are chances that they might hurt themselves, they might hurt their leg, there might be a health problem, their joints might be paining, or they might have issues with their leg pain kind of a thing. So they have to be really, really careful. I do see a pentacle card and a good pentacle card, so I do see money coming the Librans way. So somewhere either you can see it is coming through female energy, maybe is going to transfer it to you, or maybe you can say that person is going to be really lucky for you. So I do see money coming your way, finance coming your way, and in a good way. So it's a good week for the Librans, because there is victory and there is money coming. And relationship wise also, it is going to be the normal the way it is. I don't see any problems. Yes, just the problem that I see for Librans is have to be very, very careful with their legs. They might hurt their legs, or they might have a severe leg pain. So let's go ahead and see now Scorpio. What does the Scorpio card say? For the Scorpion people, this week is going to be little hard, because they are taking too much burden on them. I see a burden card where unnecessary tensions, unnecessary burden that you are building up for yourself, that can affect your health badly. So you have to take it easy, be peaceful, take it calmly, and be positive. It should work for you. Somewhere this week, I do see a strong kind of decision that you are making, or strong kind of things that you will be doing, like you are the person who this week will have that kind of, you can say, ego, that, or you can say overconfident, and you might do something that is actually not necessary to be done. Your anger will be a little on the higher side this week, but you need to calm down, because there is a lot of burden that you are taking. The anger is also shooting up because of that, and you might create something that is not positive for your life. So for Scorpions, you need to be little calm. You don't have to be aggressive, and it should take care of itself. Now I'm going to go ahead and do Sagittarius. For the Sagittarius people, I do see good cards. I have got a cards where you will celebrate. There might be something coming your way that you have been waiting for, some function, some family get together, or maybe a birthday or something where there is a celebration. Or in fact, you can say you might buy something that will be kind of a celebration for you. So it's very good. Plus I do see you moving really ahead in whatever you will be taking this week. So if you're taking a new project, if you are building new relationship, or anything, I see you moving ahead very positively and very, very aggressively, and it is going to give you a very, very positive result. Also there is a victory, there is the blessings from the angels, blessings from the universe, and you are going to succeed in whatever you take this week. So basically the cards, all the cards for Sagittarius people are good for this week. Now I'm going to go ahead and do Capricorn. 3 cards for Capricorn. For the Capricorn people, I see again a very good week where there will be celebrations, there will be people you will be meeting, the family members will get together, you're going to enjoy the kids, and so it is something that it's full of emotions, good emotions, you can say. That's a good card. Plus I do see progress where if you're thinking about career also, where money is concerned, yes, but most of the cards are that deals with your emotions. So somewhere this week your emotions, if I consider the emotions, you are going to be really, really happy and excited this week to meet new people, your family members, the get together you get. And also relationship wise, if you're looking forward into a new relationship, this is a perfect week for you, because I see a new relationship coming your way and you are blessed by the universe for that relationship. So you should go ahead and consider if something is coming. It might, I can say, turn out to be positive for you. So overall good cards for Capricorn. Now we will go ahead and do Aquarius. Let's see what Aquarius people have stored for this week. So 3 cards for Aquarius. The week for Aquarius is going to be really, really good. It is a card that is going to give them whatever they wish for this week. So if they wish that I want good money, I want good work, good marks, whatever you are into, it's going to be fulfilled this week, because it is something like you wish it and you're going to get it. So this week is going to be good for Aquarius people. I do see a little bit of traveling this week. You might travel to some place to meet your family or meet your near ones, dear ones, a small vacation kind of a thing. Yes, a little bit you have to be careful is balancing your finance. So it's something like you might spend a little bit more, and you will have to control this week and balance your finance accordingly. But it's a superb week for Aquarius, because it's something like you wish and it's going to happen for you. Now the last sign that I'm going to do is Pisces. Let's pull 3 cards for Pisces. Pisces people, somewhere I feel that you are feeling very tied up, and this week is something that is going to make you feel like, tied up, something that you want to do and you cannot do this week, so you will be frustrated, you will be sad emotionally, it will be a little, bad for you this week. But you need to understand that whatever the phase is going to pass away, and you will have a better days coming ahead. Just this week I feel that just control your anger, control your emotions. If it's coming to you, do not feel like you are the one who's tied up and you cannot do anything, because this is just a phase and it will go away. Sometimes again this week I see that you have to be careful, because whatever picture you have been shown is not the true thing. You have to understand the situation properly, you have to see the situation properly, and then consider whatever you are planning to do. Because this week I feel is a little difficult for Pisces people, but you can make it if you think positive. So just think it shall pass and it will pass. So nothing to worry about, just control your emotions, just try to be happy and positive, and it will work for you. So that's it for the reading for the week of 31st May to the 6th of June. So we are done with the reading. I would like you to end the video here, but before that, please, it's a request to go and like my Facebook page as well as the Instagram page. The address of my Facebook as well as the Instagram will be listed in the description. I will be putting the timestamp in the description like I always do. And also, please, it's a request to you guys to like my YouTube channel and subscribe to it, so that way you can be updated on any new video that comes. So that's it for now. I hope you all are keeping yourself safe. Take care, stay blessed, and love you all.